Hi, in this video training of Elixir, we will be looking at basic operators. In previous video of this series, we learned that Elixir provides plus, minus, asterisk, forward slash as arithmetic operators plus the function div forward slash 2 and rem forward slash 2 for integer division and remainder. Elixir also provides double plus and double minus to manipulate list. So let's get started and let's start the interactive mode of Elixir. Okay, we are in the interactive mode now. So as we did yesterday, we concatenated two different lists with the double plus operator like that, and we can also minus subtract the list element by using the minus minus operator. String concatenation is done with less than greater than signs. So let's say if we want to concat two strings foo and bar. Okay, we don't need to use IEX here. So we get foo bar, that is the concatenated string using foo and bar and the concatenation operator. Elixir also provides three Boolean operators, or, and not. These operators are strict in the sense that they expect something that evaluates to a Boolean, true or false, as their first argument. So if I type in true and true, I'll get true. If I type in false or is Adam example, I'll get true. Okay, providing a non-Boolean will raise an exception. So if I type in 1 and true, we got an exception saying expected a Boolean on left side of and got 1. Or and are shortcut operators. They only execute the right side if the left side is not enough to determine the result. So if I type in false and raise, and I can pass the string, this error will never be raised. Okay, so I get false. And if I say true and raise, this error will never be raised, I get true. This error will never be raised. Okay, I need to use here, if I use or, I get true. If you are an Erlang developer or in Elixir, actually map to the and also and or else operators in Erlang. Besides these Boolean operators, Elixir also provides double pipe sign, double ampersand, and explanation, which accept arguments of any type. For these operators, all values except false and nil will evaluate to true. So we have or, which is represented by double pipe sign, so I can use double pipe sign and true. So it's 1 or true, and I got 1. Similarly, I can say false, double pipe, which is or, and double 1. I get 11. Then we have the and operator. So we represent this by double ampersand, and here we get a compile error saying undefined function nil, because I typed in double L. It is single L, I got nil. And what if I use true and 17, I get 17. Then we have the not operator. So if I type in not true, I got false. Not 1, I get false, and not nil, I get true. As a rule of thumb, use and or and not when you are expecting Booleans. If any of the arguments are non-Boolean, use ampersand, pipe signs, and not explanation mark. Elixir also provides double equal, explanation equal, triple equal, explanation double equal, less than equal, greater than equal, less than, and greater than as comparison operators. So if we type in 1 double equal 1, we get true. If I say 1 is not equal to 2, I'll get true. And if I say 1 is less than 2, I get true. The difference between the double equal and triple equal is that the latter is more strict when comparing integers and floats. So if I type in 1 equals 1.0, you can see that on the left hand side we have integer and on the right hand side we have a float. But this will compute to true because it is not a strict comparison. We are not comparing the types. But if I use triple equal, it will give me false because it is a strict comparison. In Elixir, we can compare two different data types. So if I can compare one with Atom, I get true. The reason we compare different data types is pragmatism. Sorting algorithms don't need to worry about different data types in order to sort. The overall sorting order is defined below. So number is less than atom, is less than reference, is less than function, less than port, less than bit, tuple, map, list, and bit string. You don't need to remember all the order for this and don't need to remember it by heart to use these operators. I hope you have understood the basic operators available in Elixir language and how to manipulate and use them in your own applications. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video with pattern matching in Elixir.